error is coming. This is the validation I have written in the validation function. But here if you double click, you find some other information also. Okay, you find some other information like this. So how can you write the enhanced message so that looking at the message user can understand accordingly? In this line item, text is mandatory. But why it is mandatory? Let's say you want to give some additional information. You want to write this kind of message in detail, then how to do it. So this is very important. In most of your project, you might get this kind of requirement. So let me show you how to do it. Go to here in your GG B0 T code. Go to GG B0 T code. Once you go to GGB0 T code, this is the validation I am using. Under this validation, this is the step is working. So in this, this is what short text should not be blank. Now go to masses. You know how to write the validation. Now today's focus is on masses. So here you have written the message. Okay, message number 15, and this is the front message which is showing you here in the error message. Okay, go to here, and this is the message what you have written here. But other than this, if you want to write in more detail, you remember the message number. Go to here, go to 15, message number 15, go to message number 15. This is the message. You can write up to here, not a problem. If you write up to here, then it will still appear only in this line item, but all this line item will not appear. So how to handle below this all other line item? So select this line item, click on long text. If you select a click on long text, then this kind of Word file comes. Even you can modify here. You can write however you want to see the error message in detail. Okay, this is the easiest way to write in the Word file. If let's say contact to gmail.com, something like that. Okay, so you can, this is the one way you can do it, and you can save and come back. Another way is that come to here. Okay, once you cancel or save, it will bring you here. If it is not bringing you here, then go to here, then go to change editor. In case if you are not, it is not, your system is not directly bringing here, then you can go to change editor. So okay, so earlier you were in Word, so it will bring to change editor. So vice versa it works. Okay, now you are in change editor. If you want to go to Word file, it will take you to Word file. From Word file, if you want to come to here, you come here. Okay, it won't be problem for you, trust me. So no need to worry much. Now understand this. So this is coming here. This is coming here. Then if you check this one, see it is coming in the green highlighted one. Then remaining this message is coming. Okay, so how to manage this one? You can start from start. Okay, and keep blank. Now I means if any text you want to write in normal, then you can select I1. So there are many other message type there. You can explore about them. I1, if you select, it will appear like this message. Okay, then between this line item to this line item, there is a space. If you want to maintain the space, then you have to give this slash. You have to give the slash. So between this to this line item, if you want to give any space, you have to maintain the slash. Then U1. If you want to give U1 means it will appear in this kind of format. Okay. So select U1 and give whatever you want to write here. Then again give slash. Okay. If you give this sign, then between this to this it gets little back gap. Then again I1. Then write whatever message you want to write here. Okay. Then I1 again. Then you give whatever you want to write it here. So this is how you can write whatever messages you want to write, and it will appear in this format. Okay. Let's say contact to Harisa. Save it. That's it. Nothing else. Save and come back. Save and come back. Okay. Now go and test it. You have already tested. More time you can test. Okay, here. That okay, so you are getting this message. If you go here, see, you are getting Harisa. So this is very useful functionality that can be used in your this can be used in your project. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to take a real time S4 HANA expert level training, you can contact me. Thanks a lot.